And for all our special guests from the Star Network. And now, a very special award for a very, very special lady. Elegance, grace, style. अगर इन शब्दों का कोई एक डेफिनेशन, कोई एक चेहरा है, तो वो है उस एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी एक्ट्रेस का जिसकी हम सब आराधना करते हैं, जिसका सिनेमा के साथ मानो अमर प्रेम है. आई एम श्योर यू नो मैं किन की बात कर रहा हूं. Yes, of course, I am talking about the exquisite and enchanting Sharmila Tagore. 40 साल पहले जो बोल्ड स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट्स इन्होंने बनाए, जो अनयूजुअल और डिफिकल्ट कैरेक्टर्स निभाए, जो स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ एक्सीलेंस सेट किए, वो आज भी बेमिसाल हैं. Today at IFA, we are proud, ladies and gentlemen, to honor Sharmila Tagore's 40-year-long glorious cinematic safar and to present her the Floriana IFA Award for Outstanding Achievement in India. May I please request on stage the legendary Shabana Azmi to join us.
Good evening, friends. It's my honor and privilege to present the award for Outstanding Achievement in Indian Cinema to a lady for whom I've had the highest regard, an actress with whom I've had the pleasure of working in 2 films, a versatile actress who has worked from Satyajit Ray on one hand to Shakti Samant on the other, a path breaker, an achiever, a person who has been successful in every avatar she has chosen for herself, wife, mother, but above all, her very own person. Please put your hands together for the inimitable Sharmila Tagore.
वो सपनों की रानी जिसके मस्तानी रूप ने किया हिंदुस्तान को मदहोश.
मेरे सपनों की रानी,
वो कश्मीर की गली जिसके मासूम मुस्कुराहट से जमाने ने किया अमर प्रेम. वो है हर जवान दिल की धड़कन.
रूप तेरा मस्ताना, प्यार मेरा दीवाना, भूल कोई हमसे ना हो जाए.
1952 में सत्यजीत रे के अपूर्व संसार से उन्होंने पर्दे पर रखा अपना पहला कदम और उनके नमकीन अंदाज से वो चिंगारी भड़काई कि देश करने लगा उनकी आराधना.
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा. तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया.
तेज रफ्तार की मुझे जरूरत है. तेज, बहुत तेज, इतनी तेज कि मैं सबको पीछे छोड़ दूं.
अपनी अदाकारी और खूबसूरत अंदाज से कमर्शियल और आर्ट फिल्मों का फर्क ही मिटा डाला.
मेरे अंदर अभी तक एक औरत जी रही है. मैंने सोचा वो कब की मर गई, लेकिन जीती है वो. शाम को भूला, शाम.
इस बेमिसाल अदाकारा ने अपने हुनर से हिंदुस्तानी सिनेमा पर कई दशक तक राज किया. हिंदुस्तानी सिनेमा की अद्वितीय अभिनेत्री शर्मिला टैगोर को आइफा का सलाम।
We'd love you to say a few words. Ladies and gentlemen, the lady deserves a standing ovation. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Shabana, for your very kind words. Thank you, Karan. And thank you, Aifa, for bringing me here all the way from India to this fantastic, glittering function amongst so many friends and so many colleagues from the film industry. And getting an award like this from one's peer is such a satisfying thing, really. But more than anything else, I am absolutely overwhelmed with the response. The moment we arrived, the crowd in Toronto, at the hotel in Toronto, and now here all of you, you have kept up the momentum from the word go till now, and I can hear the more feminine Langpa here, and it's fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I must say, after Dharamji, it's so difficult to follow that act. I mean, it's impossible, really. But I have to share a story of Dharamji, and then you can figure out what kind of a person he was. We were shooting a film called we were shooting what was it? Mere Humdam Mere Dost. And there was a song called Chalkaye Ja, and we were shooting there, and the song couldn't be finished. And I had to go to Calcutta to meet my, Tiger. And he was playing cricket. It was West Indies. And I just had to go, and it was his birthday. So I requested Dharamji, would he please extend and shoot? So we shot all night and packed up at 6 o'clock in the morning. And I don't know any of, Karan, would anybody do that kind of thing today? And
not for me.
That's the kind of person Dharamji was. And today, as Shabana said, I started my career in Bengali films with Satyajit Ray, and which was a great honor and a privilege, both professionally and personally. But it was that Bengali presence in Bombay that paved my entry to that world. And I acknowledge Shakti Samanta, Rishikesh Mukherjee, Ashit Sen, and then later Bashu Bhattacharya and Gulzar, who carried that Bengali sensibility, the literary adaptations, the narrative style, and gave me such wonderfully author-backed roles, and the roles that are remembered even today. And I'm so, so grateful to them. But more than giving individual acknowledgement, today, I seriously, carrying on Dharamji's strain, I want to pay tribute to that time where there was romance, there was idealism, and there was a kind of innocence in that changing time of 60s and 70s, which made possible for films like Aradhna, Anupama, Amar Prem, and Safar to be made and appreciated. And today, I mean, that was before the angry young man image and that kind of film, which changed the vocabulary of cinema. And recently, when I toured UK with my retrospective, I realized that there was still a generation that lived and breathed those films, those characters, and their music. So that kind of film will live on forever. And today, I would like to accept this award for that time and that context and that wonderful talent within which I worked. And I look at the scene today where my son and daughter are working, and I look beyond to a time where the film content and the craft will reach a new culmination. What a fascinating process this is, and I'm so glad to be a part of it. I also accept this award on behalf of our nation, which is absolutely passionate about cinema, and all those people out there who see films the first day, first show, like my daughter sitting there, Sabah. And thank you for all those people who love our cinema more than anything else. As long as they're there, we will be there. Thank you.
I have to say that when I see certain mainstream actresses walk the red or green or blue carpet, I have to say that they don't make them like Sharmila Tagore anymore. From legendary to now love, प्यार, इश्क, मोहब्बत, इनके बिना मेरे लिए हिंदी सिनेमा की कल्पना करना नामुमकिन है। इसलिए फिल्मों में रोमांटिक जोड़ियों को सेलिब्रेट करते हुए स्टार प्लस और आईफा पेश करते हैं स्टार प्लस हॉटेस्ट पेयर 2011। अपनी मनपसंद रोमांटिक जोड़ी का चुनाव करने के लिए दुनिया भर से स्टार प्लस के व्यूअर्स ने starplus.in पर अपने वोट दिए। और अब वक्त आ गया है ये जानने के लिए कि सबसे फेवरेट जोड़ी यहाँ की स्टार प्लस हॉटेस्ट पेयर 2011 कौन है। And to give away the award, please welcome on stage Amisha Patel, Lisa Ray, and Nitin Kukreja, Executive Vice President, Business Development, Star India Private Limited.
Thank you for the warmest welcome Bollywood has had ever. And we're here today to present Star Plus's hottest pair. Over to you.
नमस्कार, स्टार प्लस हॉटेस्ट पेयर अवार्ड 2011 पहली बार आईफा अवार्ड्स में स्टार प्लस की तरफ से एक ऐसा अवार्ड जिसके विजेता को चुना है खुद स्टार प्लस के दर्शकों ने। मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा उन सभी दर्शकों का जिन्होंने अपना प्यार देकर स्टार प्लस को भारत में ही नहीं लेकिन दुनिया भर में सबसे चहेता नंबर 1 हिंदी चैनल बनाया है। और विश्व भर के उन सभी दर्शकों का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा जिन्होंने हमारी वेबसाइट starplus.in पर इस अवार्ड के नॉमिनीज को तकरीबन 15 मिलियन वोट, जी हाँ 1.5 करोड़ वोट दिए। Without further ado, over to the ladies to announce the winners.
Hello, Toronto. I'm a hometown girl, but my heart also belongs to India. What a beautiful night. And you're really showing it. Bollywood's showing it's really shining in Toronto. Toronto's also shining in Bollywood's eyes. Okay, and now for our shiny new winners. The pair is Anushka Shankar and Ranveer Singh. Let's roll the AV.